What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and our trip to Bora Bora. In this video, we cover everything you need to know on how to get from Tahiti Airport over to the Four Seasons Resort where we're staying at. If you're new to the channel, go below, like, subscribe, and follow along in our adventures. All right, so in order to get here, we actually need to go back to this airport, Tahiti. And it's really small, but it actually wasn't too bad. Follow along and we'll show you around.
All right, I'm a little nervous about this flight. I don't think I've been on a plane this small before. So we'll see how that goes.
Thank you. All right, so at this airport, you have to walk out all the way to your plane. It's a neat experience if you've never done it before. Be prepared, it's a little windy, a little noisy, but at the end of the day, it kind of adds to the whole effect and to your trip.
We made it on the flight. Next stop is Bora Bora. We'll get picked up for the Four Seasons and have a good trip.
Can't wait.
All right, so upon landing, you walk back out to the new airport, which is on a really small island, and it is such a neat experience like nothing we've ever experienced in all 24 countries that we've been to. So as you approach to the main terminal area, it's just a wide open airport, and you just pretty much have to look for whatever hotel or resort that you're going to. We were greeted by a great staff from the Four Seasons. They gave us from the airport over to the Four Seasons was probably about 20 minutes. The staff was really friendly and took care of everything, even had drinks on the boat for you. Enjoy the views because they were stunning. The time went by really fast, and we just enjoyed seeing what the experience was like getting to our hotel. So let's go check it out. We just landed at the Four Seasons, and we cannot be happier.
We made it to paradise. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's even better than I even imagined. It's gorgeous.
All right, guys, we're so excited. We just got an amazing upgraded suite at the Four Seasons. The staff was brilliant. All right, so as soon as you're done registering, they'll put you on the golf cart and take you across the property to these bungalows. Check them out. They're absolutely amazing. Here's our suite located at room 301. All right, guys, if you're interested to see more on this property and this suite, stay tuned because we have a complete in-depth review. If you're new, definitely go below, subscribe, like this video, and follow along. All right, guys, until next time.